Beaver Bite Food Reviews. We're at Popeyes. I asked for the big box meal, they didn't have it. So we got a 2-piece meal, all dark, 99 cents for the biscuit, and mashed potatoes and gravy, and a root beer, no ice. Let's go in for Beaver Bite. Is it better than, it's not KFC. It's good, not KFC. You can't beat the spice of KFC. But this is pretty good. Pretty good chunk of meat here. Really good skin business. Mashed potatoes and gravy. I like the mashed potatoes, they're nice and smooth. The gravy's a tad salty. Let's try the biscuit. For 10 bucks and 13 cents, it's not a bad deal. But I wanted to come here and get the cheapest meal. I've been doing every restaurant. It's not on today for some reason. So I got this. Let's try a drum bite. For what it is, 8 out of 10. Have a great day. I'm the Beaver. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.